Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today, I will guide you step by step on how to deactivate your Instagram account using your Android phone. This video will help you understand the exact process to temporarily disable your account safely and easily. First, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Account Center. After that, click on Personal Details. Now choose Account Ownership and Control. Following that, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Then click on Username account you want to deactivate. Then select Deactivate Account and click Continue. Next, enter your Instagram password and click Continue again. Afterwards, choose the reason why you want to deactivate your account and click Continue. Then, decide if you want automatic reactivation and select the time or choose not to reactivate automatically. Finally, click Done. Then, continue and confirm by clicking Deactivate Account. Thank you for watching this video. Now you know exactly how to deactivate your Instagram account on Android. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.